Hey there, Odooers. My name is Jose Ignacio. And as you've seen, Odoo is full of different promotional programs that can help any business boost their revenue to epic new heights. But believe it or not, there's still a couple that we haven't looked at yet. Which ones, you ask? Well, why gift cards and e-wallets, of course. Now, if you're like me and tend to wait until the very last second to buy gifts for people, chances are you're familiar with the concept of gift cards. But if you're unaware, gift cards are prepaid physical or digital cards with unique codes that can be used to pay for products or services. They're like fake money, like crypto. With Odoo, gift cards are, well, they're easy to create manually from the back end, or they can be automatically emailed to customers when a gift card is purchased. And now that we're on it, e-wallets essentially are exactly what they sound like, electronic wallets. Pretty self-explanatory, right? They are digital wallets that funds can be added to, and customers can use those funds to pay for orders without having to whip out their credit card during the checkout process. They're very long numbers. Much like gift cards, e-wallets can be created manually or automatically when a customer orders an e-wallet product. And guess what, folks? Both of these are super easy to set up with Odoo. Don't believe me? Just wait, let me show you. Let's dive into our database and see how both of them work. All right, first and foremost, like we've done with other promotion related tutorials, we'll kick things off on our sales dashboard. And over here, go to configuration and settings. And you've seen this before. Once again, we'll want to ensure that our discounts, loyalty, and gift card option is activated. If you still need to do that, simply check the box right there, hit save, and you're ready to move on. Now, as you can see, we already, checked all of these off, so we're ready to go. Okay, so with that out of the way, let's make our way up here to the top, up here to products, and select gift cards and e-wallet. Alrighty, now here we see a collection of different gift cards and e-wallets we have set up in our database. Let's start by creating a new gift card, shall we? Now to do that, all we have to actually hit is new up here. And it's time for our daily philosophical question. We got to give it a name. I'm thinking holiday gift card because I am ever expanding my vocabulary. Now up next, we actually have to select a program type here. It's either gift card or e-wallet. We're going to be working with gift card right now, but don't worry, we'll talk more about e-wallet soon. Just hang tight. Now up next, we have the gift card products. Now this is where you enter the appropriate gift card products configured in the database. Now just to clarify, gift card products, GCP, are the actual gift cards customers purchase that have a predetermined amount of money on them. They are not, I repeat, they are not products that can only be bought with a gift card. I just want to make that clear. Anyways, moving on, as you can see, Odoo already has a gift card in their setup right there for us by default. And that saves us a whole bunch of time. But you can always pretty much change that to another pre-configured gift card or value basically if needed. Now beneath that, we have email template, which as it describes is the selection of a pre-configured email template that'll be sent to customers along with a gift card code once that the customer purchases a gift card from us. If you want to take a closer look at what the template looks like, what do you select, Odooers? Internal link. So let's do that. Once we give that a quick little second to load our beautiful template over here, this is where we would do any of the changes that we want. Let's assume we want to make it snazzy, customize it, do that. Everything is here. But it all looks ship-shape here, so let's head back over to our new gift card via the breadcrumbs, which today is soy bread. Now up next, we have a print report field. Now this field will only appear at the point a sale application is installed. The print report is what would be printed and given to customers who purchase physical gift cards through the POS system. And if we select that dropdown, you'll notice we have an option to select something like gift card right there. Now, as you can see, we have a couple of them that were pre-configured. To learn more about print reports themselves and other things of this nature, be sure to check out our other POS tutorials. All right, since this is a gift card, we've already selected our right options. And then on the right-hand side, we can choose which company this gift card should be associated with if we're working multi-company. Then we can decide what's it available on. In our case, we have the options for sales, POS, and website. Lastly, you can also specify, in our case, you can specify which point of sale and website you'd like this gift card available at. You can pick all websites, a specific one, and the same goes for POS. In our case, we want it to be available everywhere. So we're actually going to leave it as all POS and all websites. All right. Now that we've got everything configured the way we want, it's time to generate some gift cards. Now to do that, all we actually have to do is generate gift cards up here at the top. Then we need to decide if we'll generate gift cards for anonymous customers or if we're going to be doing it for selected customers. If we choose anonymous customers, I'd simply have to decide on the quantity to generate right there. And then Odoo would create my designated number of gift card codes, which I could send to customers as I wish. But if I choose selected customers, watch what happens. Now it'll ask me, I can select specific customers that Odoo will send gift cards to immediately. The quantity to generate in this case actually is kind of uncustomizable now, as it'll simply relay to me how many selected customers will get a gift card. And by default, Odoo is ready to generate gift cards for every customer in the database, if no specific customers or customer tags are designated, that is. But for this example, let's hook up my guy, Mitchell Admin, with a solid $50 gift card. So to do that, we'll add Mitchell Admin here inside of the customers field. Type in his name. Oops, misspelled his name. Oh, doopsie, not myth. Mitch. Boom. Look at that. All right, and now we actually have to give it a card value, not a dollar. We don't want to insult him. $50. And then we'll click generate and send gift card. Now that we've done that, you'll notice the gift card smart button is actually going to appear up here in the top corner. And it's changed. And that shows us that one gift card has been created. And if we click on that smart button, Odoo will actually take us over to it. And now we can actually see a copy of that email that we just sent to Mitch in the chatter, including the gift card code that I should have hidden so that you don't rob him with our mysterious funds. All he would need to do is enter this code at checkout and boom, he's ready to go. So while we're here, let's copy this code. And I'm sorry, Mitch, we got to show that off. But first, let's go to eWallets. All right, Odooers, up next, let's go back to gift cards and eWallets. And we're going to create a new one today. All right, let's give this a nice name, shall we? Loyal customer eWallet. Just like before, some of the process is going to be similar and a lot of it is going to be different with a few little minor changes. First of all, program type is set to eWallet because we're making an eWallet. And we're actually going to leave our eWallet products to the top up eWallet, which allows customers to buy eWallets from our online store. Should be noted that Odoo creates a default gift card and eWallet product when discounts, loyalty, and the gift card setting is activated inside of your settings. So keep that in mind. Then we could choose to have an email sent to customers after they purchase an eWallet, but it's not required. Since the eWallet lives forever in their database and it's accessible via customer portal, there's no specific code that we need to send them. So let's just leave that blank for now, Odooers. And just like with gift cards, we're going to actually leave everything over here on the right as is. Next, we're going to generate the wallet. And you'll notice a first immediate change that I've been talking about. And that's you have to select a customer. Unlike with gift cards, with eWallets, we have to create them for selected customers. We can't just generate them for anonymous customers because Odoo needs to know who they're going to go to. So we're going to do one for Mitchell Admin again. And in our case, he's been a really good person. We're going to give him $100 and we're going to leave it valid forever because I don't want it to expire. Once we're done, we're going to generate this eWallet and it's sent instantly. Odoo sends them all of that information, and you'll notice that the eWallet Smart button has increased by 1. So let's click that up here, Odooers, and we're going to go in there. All right. Now, it gives us all the information pertinent to Mitchell Admin's eWallet, and it can be edited. Let's assume I want to give him more money. I want to give him $750. Gosh, I am in a giving mood. Okay, now that I've given him more money, he can spend it on us. So we're going to hop on over to the Stealthywood online store to test both of these out. So here we are on the Stealthywood shop. We're actually going to add some of these cabinets over here to our cart, and then we're going to go over to that cart. Now on the right-hand side, you'll notice an option for a discount code or gift card. And let's put in our gift card code from earlier, hit apply, and voila, chef's kiss. There's our gift card as a line item, and everything has been subtracted. But that's not all. Down beneath the order total over here, we have the option to pay with our eWallet. So let's click that. And just like that, Odooers, my eWallet payment is taken into account, and the order is now the total price of the best number in the world, 0. And we're able to do all of this because we're logged in up here as Mitchell admin. Just like all customers will need to be logged in order to take advantage of the e-wallet. At this point, we just go through the normal checkout. I told you it was going to be super easy. Well, that's it for now, Odooers. Thanks for watching and have a great night, bro doers.